Hello food friends, this is Erica and today we're going to cook a squash casserole and I'll show you a simple way how to do it. So you're going to get you some squash and chop them in medium thin chunks because you want to keep it firm enough and soft enough at the same time when you get ready to boil and bake it. So that's the point of having it medium thin. And then you're going to get you a zucchini because I like a little green in mine. So it's still a squash. So get you a zucchini squash and showing you what size chunk it is. There you go. Medium thin. And by the way, the yellow squash, it was like a giant squash. That's why it was so many. So if you find smaller ones, get you probably like 2, and then get you one big zucchini, so it don't be too full. Unless you want a big container of it. And get you a medium onion and slice it in a way that you did with the squash. So it's enough, peel and do all that stuff. So I just cut it in halves and then I would, slice it that way. See? There you go. Get your a pot and have your water going. Put your vegetables in there. So I put me some chicken bouillon powder in there so that I don't put salt in my food because I'm trying to be cautious on my salt intake. And plus that chicken bouillon powder will season it as well. So that's the brand I used. So you can add black pepper to it as you boil it. You don't have to, because you could season it later. Meanwhile, in another bowl, in a large bowl, you could add half a cup of mayonnaise. I always have my vegan mayonnaise. A cup of sour cream. This is a really good flavor, the Mexican style Darigold sour cream. Use a cup of that. And another tip, while I would add the sour cream, I would also, if I had it at the time, some shredded parmesan, but I don't have it, so this is what you see in this video. But try to add you some shredded parmesan or any type of sharp sour type of cheese. Any type of cheese like that that's real sharp and sour. Add that to it because it really will make a difference. But I just used what I had. But meanwhile, I added 2 eggs to the mixture as well. And when you do that, you're going to mix it. Mix it well. So again, I will add my sharp cheese. I got sharp cheddar cheese, so that's what you're gonna see in the video. But I add the sharp cheddar cheese along with some shredded parmesan or any type of strong white cheese. Mozzarella is not that strong, but you could add to it to make it a little cheesier. But I only had what I got in the video. I ain't feel like going to the store. So you're gonna mix in. So I had my squash in the colander to drain out all the water, because you don't want that in your mixture either, a lot of water. So when you get ready to mix it, fold it. Don't try to heavily mix it, because you don't want to squash it for real. You want it to be firm enough so it can hold itself in this when you bake it. So you see how I'm folding it in? Yeah, try that. Because it's done. You just don't want to get it mushy when you about to serve it. It's not visually appealing. Don't do this, because to me it wasn't all that. I was just experimenting. Don't add time, but if you want an earthy taste, do you. But I wouldn't do it. I'm not gonna do it another time. I was just trying to experiment. Black pepper and salt if you want. Again, I'm trying to be cautious on my salt intake, but you could put salt in it. I did garlic powder. And excuse my camera. I can't even talk camera, but camera angles, because my camera stand broke, so I got to get another one. But yeah, I added more cheese because I'm a cheesy person, so don't be judging me. But yeah, I mentioned something on there about Parmesan cheese. Add that. Cause that's the thing. That's the key to the whole. You can even add ricotta cheese if you want to. But yeah, I just use what I got. And this is a deep dish square. I don't know what size would be. You say 8.5. So yeah. And it's a little deep, but again, I had this big old squash, so it filled all the way to the top. But it's a way around it. You just gotta watch and keep going. Yes. So you get a sleeve and a half of Ritz crackers and crumble it. I should have put it in the blender. Didn't feel like doing all that. But yeah, crumble it that way. There's the other one. Then you add you some melted butter. But again, I had a little bit of grated Parmesan that's in a container like that. It wasn't much. I would just pour that day. Just sorry. I didn't feel like going to the store for real. But use what you got. Melt you some butter. I melted it too long. Sorry about that. And you just mix it in and try to crumble it with your fork some more. It don't matter how, you don't have to have it all the way finely crumbled, because you can fork it down inside of your casserole, like I'm finna do right now. You see how filled to the top it is? So you can sprinkle it on top. It ain't gonna overflow. And then you're going to spread it over evenly. There you go. And while you're spreading it even, press downwards so your crackers could get inside of the casserole a little bit, and that helps with the flavor too. And you still have a way of not overflowing your dish. And then another tip is this: when you get ready to bake it, get you a flat a cooking sheet and put the dish on top of the cooking sheet so it don't spill inside of your oven. That's the way I cooked it. It's not on camera because my camera stand is trash, so I need another one. But don't do what I just did. Don't add no more of that time being extra for no reason. But people liked it when I gave them. I sent some people a plate, so they liked it, but I didn't. So you got it done, and it should be this brown color. Cook it for like 30 to 45 minutes on 325 and let it cool for 15 minutes. And you know me being extra, I got to show you like the side of it. See how it looked? It wasn't too full. Now I'm about to go go eat. Okay? It's dinner time. I didn't record the other stuff that I cooked that day, but please don't forget to like, share, and comment. And thanks for watching.